Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew and today is National Pasta Day, one of my favorite culinary days. So tonight I'm going to be preparing sausage with zucchini, tomatoes, and pasta. Let's get to the mise en place. Okay, we're going to start off with some rotini. And then some yellow onion, New York style hot Italian sausage, garlic, red pepper flakes, some veggie stock, zucchini, red bell pepper, Parmesan cheese, a splash or two of lemon juice. We're going to add in some tomato and fresh chopped basil. Okay, I've got the oil hot in the pan, and we're going to start off with the onion. We add a little bit of salt. And some black pepper. All right, these onions are looking really good. Next, I want to add the garlic and the red pepper flakes. And saute this for about 30 seconds. Just want to get the garlic going. And get some heat in those red pepper flakes. Okay, now I'm going to add the sausage. And we're going to cook these until they're brown. Okay, the sausages are ready. Now we're going to add the broth. I'm going to bring the heat up. And scrape the bottom of the pan here, getting all the good fond, which as we all know is flavor. I'm going to bring this up to a boil and add the pasta. And it should come up to a boil pretty quickly. There it goes. And what I'm going to do now is reduce the heat and let this simmer for about 5 minutes. Okay. The pasta and the sausage have simmered. Now we're going to add zucchini and the red bell, red bell pepper. Get them all mixed in. And we're going to go ahead and simmer this for about 5 minutes. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. Looking good and smelling good. Now I'm going to add the lemon juice and the Parmesan cheese. And going to incorporate them. Okay, now I'm going to add the tomatoes and the fresh basil. And once I get these incorporated, it's going to cook for about 2 minutes. Okay, as you can see, it's basically done. Very colorful, smells wonderful, very basic. Great way to celebrate National Pasta Day. On to the next step. Okay, the pasta is basically done. Let's just finish it off. As you can see, I have went ahead and plated this. And then I'm going to add some Parmesan on top. And some fresh chopped basil. So here's the sausage with zucchini, tomatoes, and pasta. I hope you are having a very good National Pasta Day, enjoying your favorite pasta in whatever combination that you love most. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. If you like this recipe, you can find it and many more at the Casual Chef website. You will also find my cookbooks, international urban spice blends, t-shirts, and much more. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.